Includes 3 real Tehchniques sponges, 1 Miracle Cleanse Sponge, 1 Miracle Skincare Sponge, 1 Miracle Complexion Sponge. The Pro-Glow Radiance Complexion Kit covers all your needs for a glowing look. Turn these 3 sponges into your easy, everyday skincare plus makeup routine. All sponges are infused with infused protection to keep your skin healthy. The Miracle Cleanse Sponge. Infused with probiotics to help calm the skin, while the skincare sponge is infused with vegan collagen to promote elasticity and firmness. Get the most out of your routine. Miracle Skincare Sponge. Multifunctional skin enhancer tones the skin and enhances circulation to help prevent creasing for a smooth application. Pair with your favorite toners, serums, moisturizers for deeper application. Miracle Complexion Sponge. Our #1 makeup sponge will provide flawless application for a natural luminous finish. Pair with any liquid foundation and use damp or dry. Top reviews from the United States. Best beauty blender ever. Best beauty blender I've ever used. Foundation goes on like an airbrush applied it. Found my forever foundation applicator.